Marking respect and honor to our dignitaries of today's observance, we are now felicitating our dignitaries. A round of applause, please.
Good governance in memory of Atal Bihari Vajpayee magi tribute ne kuina taurise. On Good Governance Day, we celebrate the principle that guide our democracy. Good governance includes service delivery. Just the Transport Department has launched and done remarkable things. Everything they are making easy and the transparency. Meant good governance into service delivery, transparency, and accountability with efficiency and to all the well-being citizens. In the last few years, the BJP-led government has implemented various citizen-centric welfare in the state. Our governments were come in the first term in 2017, March 15. Some of the officers here today are with me. I decided the first priority should be people-oriented governance, people-oriented, people participation. Then we started Miyamgi Numit. Miyamgi Numit Prajaka Darbar, along with the Chief Minister and other ministers. It was not done only here in my office, my bungalow. It extended to whole the Deputy Commissioner and even the SP. We ordered them to have interaction to bring cohesive relation and understanding between the peoples and police. So in every district, police SPs and OC have started interaction with the peoples. DC have started interaction with the people. And everyone were involved. Along with that, our honorable ministers and MLA also doing similarly the Miyamgi Numit in their constituencies and offices. Thus, we are proud of our Manipur during the crucial time. School fagarancy, college fagarancy, and dropout students readmit to Birakanda. Around 4,000, I think. More than 4,000 students we have readmitted and given full education to them. Or school department ka, school ka, or college ka, director on a dun ke. So that kind of things. It is purely human service. See, these all are the example of good governance. These all are the things which late Honorable Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee wanted. He was a visionary. He established donor. He can see from Delhi, oh, Northeast is suffering. No one is caring. Only Atalji comes after him. This road connectivity toward the Northeast is improving in the entire nation, and especially he kept donor ministry, especially for the Northeast. आज से अब तो शुरू हो गया, आज से हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा आवर काम करना है, एक्स्ट्रा 2 साल गया ना सुमन, ये 2 साल को हम लोग रिकवर करना है, 10 घंटा काम करना है, उसको 20 आवर्स काम करना है हम लोग. Nasi Sinoigi officials in Mayam, please be serious. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯀꯣ CMꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ CMꯒꯤ ꯐꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯀꯣ it is nothing no ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯀꯣ whatever we are doing for the welfare of the people of the state and to help the poorest of the poor nothing ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ serious ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ऑफिस मतम साना कासे अदोगे एक्स्ट्रा टाइम जो 8 घंटा काम है तो अभी 16 घंटा काम करना पड़ेगा इसको है ना इसको हम लोग लेट अस टेक केयर ऑफ इट अदुना हम सबको अमोन आई गुड गवर्नेंस अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की माना पामंबा माना तौर में कोई हम लोग कोई फॉलोइंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट है कोई हम